So as promised, I'm going to give you guys updates on this hair journey of mine and the... What's up, you guys? It's Leda Natural, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my review slash hair update or hair journey. Oh my gosh, did y'all see that? Hair journey using the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. Now everybody gotta put the little... We're gonna see. So stay tuned. Excuse the tired face and the acne that's coming up. This was a long weekend, a long fun weekend. I went skating, but that's a story for another day. But anywho, so I just recently got my ends trimmed Wednesday, and I got it blow dried, and I said that after that I'm only gonna blow dry my hair when it's time for my trims. So I don't know when I'm gonna trim my hair again. I got them trimmed in March, April, May, so maybe May, June is when I might get them trimmed again. But until then, let me tell y'all why I'm going on this whole rebuilding my hair journey. So those of you who may not know, I've been going back and forth in my head on if I want to dye my whole head this color. So in order for me to do that, I want to get my hair as strong as possible because I have heat damage. And of course, I got a little bit of color damage. I don't want to say color damage because like my hair isn't damaged, but you know, anything chemical to your hair, you're like breaking the bonds down in your hair, so damaging your hair. Anywho, I'm trying to build my hair back up. So when I dye it, I just don't have to worry about doing too much because now I know how to manage color in my hair. I intend on dyeing my hair in September or December. I'm not sure. It just depends on how healthy my hair gets between now and then. So as I said before, I'm going to use the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. A lot of people compare this to the Olaplex #3, which I've been using the Olaplex #3, but I believe this is a protein treatment and Olaplex is not. It's just a bond builder. So I think people get that confused. That being said, I'm probably only going to use the Curlsmith like once a month, and I'm going to be using my Olaplex every week. They're both expensive, I'm not going to lie to you. I do like the fact that you get more in here. This is $29, $30. The Olaplex is like smaller than this, and it's like $28. So what I am going to do is I'm going to wash my hair first, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to apply this on camera for you guys. I know a lot of people, when they put in protein treatments or bond builders, they put it on dirty hair. I'm not doing that. I feel like that wastes product and time because I know my hair. I have a decent amount of hair, and this bottle clearly isn't the biggest. So I'm just going to put it on clean hair because I don't have time. I'll be back. So we are back with freshly washed hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections per use. You know, everything goes better when you're working sections, in my opinion. My hair feels so much better now that I done got my ends clipped because baby, my hair was feeling a little grassy on the ends. And like I said, I'm all for health over length. So when you got them nasty, funky, crusty edges, go ahead and let them go. Just let them go. Hair grows back. Unless you have like a health condition, your hair is always growing. Don't let the people fool you. Your hair is always growing. Okay, so about to go in with this. I don't even know what this smells like. Oh, it smells pretty good. So knowing me, I'm heavy-handed. I'm really like one of those naturals. I probably didn't even need all that. See all that? Ooh, no. I'm really like one of those people that you truly get what you pay for. Like some stuff you don't have to really like spend $1 or $2 on, but all my products that cost some money done did my hair some justice. Okay, so this goes on pretty smooth. I like this. I like this a lot. And I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I know I didn't need all that, but rather be safe than sorry. Oh, and for the record, this video isn't sponsored. Just had to throw that in there. But if Curlsmith or anybody else wants to sponsor me, I'm always open to it. And I didn't detangle my hair either. And this is working as a pretty good detangler. A lot of the things that I do with my hair is trial and error. I did a no heat challenge on my hair like a couple of years ago, and I went 4 months with no heat. I'm telling y'all, my hair grew so crazy. It just looked like the overall look of my hair just looked so good. So I don't have that much heat damage, as you guys can see. My curls are loose because of heat, nothing else. And my ends were just raggedy because I wanted to just be doing the most of my hair and not protective styling it like I should have. But I'm really trying to get this hair to bounce back to how it once was, like when I was a child. This isn't bad. This smells good, y'all. Like really good. I might, depending on how this look when I wash this out of my hair, this might be a staple. It's curls for the girls, no matter what they say. Now the fun part. So as you guys can see, I have heat damage and my curls are just overall different on this side anyway. So honestly, when I be doing these experiments, treatments, etc. in my hair, I really be testing it on the color side because that's the side I really care about. I care about my hair overall, but the color side is what I really be like, Okay, so this is in all 4 sections of my hair, all over my hair. It says to let this sit in your hair if you're low porosity, I think for like 15 minutes or so. But I'm OD, so I'm just gonna leave it in there for about 30 minutes or maybe longer. I don't know. I'm about to start editing videos, so that's what I'm gonna do. This is my hair after I have washed it out. Honest review time. So I like it. Of course, I'm not gonna see like progress on the first try, but overall my hair is softer, my curls are more defined. I would say you guys buy it, try it. If you don't like it, it doesn't do what it needs to do for your hair, then you know, but you will never know unless you tried, right? So as promised, I'm going to give you guys updates on this hair journey of mine and these products included. I'm getting ready to go in with a deep condition, so this is going to conclude our video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure y'all share this because there's a lot of us color treated girls, heat damaged girls that's trying to get our hair back right, and I want y'all to try this. You know, I'm gonna try it before I let y'all try it, before I tell y'all to try it, and I tried it and I'm telling you to go buy it. And it's not sponsored, but they need to come sponsor me though. Anyways, thanks for watching.